Hi friend, if you clicked on this video, most likely you're looking for a business you can start right away to escape the 9 to 5 grind and become your own boss, making enough money for you and your family and reaching to a point you never ever have to worry about money again. If that's so, then you've clicked on the right video. So I was thinking the other day about how many amazing opportunities there are to start a home-based business. Seriously, the possibilities are endless and you don't need a huge investment to get started. Today, I am going to share with you 9 home-based service businesses you can start right away. These ideas are not only profitable, but also in high demand. So grab a cup of coffee and let us dive into these fantastic opportunities together. Let us get started with the first business idea, virtual assistants. This business is underrated, and I will tell you why it is a great business to start and how you can make money with it. If you are organized, detail-oriented, and great at managing tasks, this could be a perfect business for you. As a virtual assistant, you will be providing administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs remotely. And for sure, you know, entrepreneurs and business owners have the money to pay for such services in a heartbeat. So, what are some of the tasks involved? Tasks can range from managing emails and scheduling appointments to handling social media accounts. Here's why it is a great business idea. There is massive demand for virtual assistants right now, especially with more businesses operating online. Plus, you can offer your services to clients all over the world. The startup costs are minimum. All you need is a reliable computer and a good internet connection. To attract clients, you need to create a professional website and list all your services on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. You should remember to optimize your profiles with keywords like virtual assistant services, remote administrative support, and online business management. Now, let's talk about our second business idea, freelance writing. If you're good at writing and enjoy creating content, this business is for you. As I make this video, freelance writers are in high demand for creating blog posts, articles, website content, and even social media posts. And you can leverage AI like ChatGPT to help you come up with scripts, captions, you name it, ChatGPT can do that. The beauty of freelancing writing is that you can start with almost zero investment. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. To get started, build a portfolio of your writing samples and create a profile on freelance platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, and ProBlogger. Use SEO-friendly keywords in your profiles and pitches such as freelance writer, content create services, and SEO writing. Consistency and quality are key to building a successful freelance writing business. Moving on to the third idea, home tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in any particular subject and enjoy teaching, home tutoring can be a rewarding and profitable business. You can offer your services to students of all ages, from elementary school kids to college students. With the growing trend of online education, parents and students are looking for additional support. You can conduct tutoring sessions online via Zoom or in person if you prefer. To get started, advertise your services on local community boards, social media, and tutoring websites like tutor.com. Make sure to highlight your expertise with keywords like home tutoring, online tutoring services, and subject-specific tutoring. Our fourth business idea is perfect for those who love cooking, personal chef services. If you have a passion for cooking and enjoy creating delicious meals, consider offering personal chef services. You can cater to busy families, professionals, or even individuals with specific dietary needs. The great thing about this business is the flexibility. You can offer meal prep services, cook meals in clients' homes, or deliver prepared meals. Start by creating a menu of your offerings and pricing. Promote your services on social media, food blogs, and local community groups. Keywords like personal chef services, meal prep services, and home cooking services will help you reach your target audience. Next, let's talk about pet sitting and dog walking. If you are an animal lover, This business idea could be a dream come true. Pet owners often need someone reliable to take care of their pets while they are away or during busy days. Pet sitting and dog walking services are always in demand, especially in urban areas. To get started, you will need some basic supplies like leashes, toys, and reliable way to get around. Advertise your services on social media, pet care websites like Rover or PetSitter.com, and through word of mouth in your local community. You can use keywords like pet sitting services, dog walking services, and pet care services to attract pet owners searching for help. Let's dive into the 6th business idea: social media management. If you're good with social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, you can offer your skills to businesses that need help managing their online presence. This involves creating content, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance metrics. Businesses today understand the importance of a strong social media presence, but many don't have the time or expertise to manage it effectively. That is where you come in. You can start by creating a portfolio, showcasing your social media work, even if it is just managing your own accounts or helping friends' businesses. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr to find clients. Keywords like social media management, social media marketing, and online branding will help you get noticed. Next up, let's talk about home-based cleaning services. If you're meticulous and enjoy cleaning, this business can be very lucrative. Many people are willing to pay someone to come and clean their homes, especially busy professionals and families. To get started, you will need some basic cleaning supplies and equipment. Advertise your services on local community boards and social media. Offer a range of services from regular house cleaning to deep cleaning, and even specialized cleaning like post-construction when they finish construction, or move-in or move-out cleaning. Keywords like home cleaning services, residential cleaning, and professional house cleaning are essential for your marketing efforts. Another great business idea is window cleaning. Many homeowners and businesses need their windows cleaned regularly but don't have the time or equipment to do it themselves. This can be a niche market with less competition compared to general cleaning services. Window cleaning requires specific tools like squeegees, extensional poles, and cleaning solutions. Start by offering your services to neighbors and local businesses and expand from there. Advertise your services on community boards, social media, and business directories. Keywords like window cleaning services, professional window cleaners, and residential window cleaning will help attract new clients. Lastly, let's talk about painting services. If you have a steady hand and a good eye for detail, offering painting services can be a profitable home-based business. Many homeowners need help with painting, whether it's a single room or the entire house. Start by offering your services to friends, family, and neighbors. Create a portfolio of your work, showcasing before and after photos. Advertise your services on social media, community boards, and local business directories. Keywords like residential painting services, professional painters, and home painting will help you reach your target market. So, there you have it. 9 fantastic home-based service business ideas that you can start right away. Virtual assistants, freelance writing, home tutoring, personal chef services, pet sitting and dog walking, social media management, home-based cleaning services, window cleaning, and painting services. Each of these businesses has great potential for profitability and can be started with minimal investment. Now, before you take the jump, here are a few tips to ensure your success. 1. Research your market. Understand the demand for your service in your area and who your potential customers are. 2. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, pricing, and marketing strategies. 3. Build an online presence. Create a professional website and use social media to promote your services. 4. Network. Connect with other small business owners and join community groups to spread the word about your services. 5. Provide excellent customer service. Happy customers are your best marketing tools. Go above and beyond to meet their needs. Starting a home-based business can be incredibly rewarding and offers the flexibility to work on your own terms. So why not take the leap and start today? Remember, the key to success is to provide high-quality services and continuously improve based on feedback. If you have any questions or need more tips, please feel free to reach out in the comment section below. I am here to help you succeed. If you got any value in this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.